Bitcoin is money, just like other currencies, except it isn't tied to any country and lives in cyberspace. You can use it to make transactions and also to store your money. You can buy them or you can earn them by mining, which is using your own computer to keep track of transactions. If you enter into the world of the Bitcoin exchange, you can get a private cryptography key. It sounds complicated, but using this open source software, anyone can add records to a blockchain ledger. Bitcoin's complexity helps protect it from fraud. There are few, if any, transaction fees. Because there are no third parties involved, your money will fly. And it's also anonymous, which can be an advantage or a disadvantage. Criminals can potentially use Bitcoin for illegal businesses. So far, Bitcoin is unregulated. However, this market trades millions of dollars per day, and banks can help by paying attention. Some of them are working to make it safe, and the NYFDS has granted licenses to a few companies. It is still unclear when, if ever, enough people will buy into Bitcoin to make it fully operational.